Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas Rafiq, and welcome to PhotoEffectsApp. This is an app that was developed by me and my team here at Lambda School. Our goal of this app is to allow a user to build beautiful and meaningful messages over photos with ease. The user will be able to upload an image and have the ability to add text, graphics, or even do some drawings on it with our paint feature. But the objective is clear, to make it simple and easy and not as complicated as other sites out there such as Photoshop. So let's begin the tour. Right now, we're on the About page. Just to introduce our team, we have Christian Ford, Jasmine Logan, Douglas Jordan, Edgar Flores, myself, Nicholas Rafiq, and Joe Bugoski. With that being said, let's go to the landing page. Welcome to the landing page. As of right now, we have a placeholder video here, but this video will be replaced with another video that will teach users how to use the app. As we scroll down, we'll see completed projects from users that are already using the app. Now, when a user completes a project, they'll have the choice to either publish it or not to publish it. If a user decides to publish it, then it'll end up right here on the landing page where everyone can see it. They can show off their work. If they choose not to publish it, then they don't have anything to worry about. The world won't see it. With that being said, up here you'll see these tabs. They aren't functional yet, but in the future, a user will be able to click on a tab and find relatable completed projects that relate to that tab. With that being said, I already logged in, so let's head to our dashboard. Welcome to the dashboard. On the bottom, you'll see your completed projects, but for now, we want to go to the canvas and create an entirely new project. So to do that, we can just click on this square where it says drag and drop a file here, or click to select a file, and we could click this file and open it up. Once open up, you'll get the option to, yes, go to canvas, or no, choose a different image. Just to show the drag and drop feature, I'm gonna click no, choose a different image. So if we want to drag and drop, we'll just grab our image, drag it in, drop, and voila, it pops up. So now that we have our image, let's go to the canvas. Okay, welcome to the canvas. This is where all the fun begins. So once a user comes into canvas, there's 4 different tabs here that they can play around with. We could click on our photos tab, and right now we have some photos in our backend that a user can mess around with. So let's just put our Photo Effects logo in here, maybe make it a bit smaller, and drag it over there, and we can leave that right there. So we got a little photo there. If we want, we can also get some stock photos from pexels.com. We're pulling in their photos using their API, but for now I don't think I'm going to use any of them. How about we hop to the graphics? Those are my favorite. With the graphics, we have some vegetables, some food here. Let's see what kind of graphics go with this. This girl right here, yes. She's so happy. I know I'm really happy when I see food, so this is perfect. So let's make her the right size. We'll put her right under there, just to show you. We can also turn her gray if we want. We can make her a little bit less visible if we want it, and we can even rotate her. So I think I'll just rotate her looking down, but keep the opacity up. Maybe go a little, lose some color, go a little bit grayish. Now let me find one more graphic, just because I think graphics are my favorite thing. Let's get this girl right here. She's smiling. She's loving the food. And why don't we rotate her too? She could be rotated on her head. There we go. That's perfect. Okay, let's add some text over here. All right, we got the text. Let's make the font a little bit bigger. And now let's type something that can relate to this photo. Probably food is life, because food is definitely life. And then you could do some things with the font. You can make it bold, italicize, underline, change the color of the font, and even change the background. So let's keep it like that. And then there's also this really cool paint feature that we have, where once you click add paint, this toolbar pops up. You come to the tools, and you have different tools you can choose from. So let's play with around with the brush. With the brush, you can draw on this square. You can draw whatever you want. And say you didn't actually want to do that, you can click the undo button up here to undo it all. But say you didn't want to undo it, well, you can click the redo button and it comes back. There's also other things you can play around with. You can play around with lines. You can play around with making rectangles, making circles, and even erasing. And then whenever you're done drawing whatever you want to draw, you click save as image layer, and then it saves to that picture. So say this is our final product, we love it, we can click this button right here to download it. So if I click it, it'll be downloaded to my computer, and bam, it's right here, and I can take it to Facebook, take it to Instagram, do whatever I want with it. Or I can save it to my dashboard and maybe publish it to the landing page, or just keep it for myself on my dashboard. But before we do that, let's title it. We'll title it as Food is Life, and then we will click the save button, and then we'll see here the project is saving. Once we're done, we can click the back button, go back to our dashboard, and we'll see that Food is Life is indeed here. And now say we want to publish it so we can let the whole world see our beautiful creation. We click publish, and then let's just go to the home page, and if we look, it's right here. Food is Life, and there's our project that we built. And just to show off one more thing, let's say you created a project and maybe you wanted to change some things around. You could just go ahead and click on a project you've already completed, move some things around, change the title maybe. Food is Def Life. Maybe you didn't want this graphic there anymore. We go ahead and delete it. Maybe you want to add a different graphic. Who knows? Go ahead and put it on and click save. Go back to our dashboard, and voila, it is there. So this is the PhotoEffects app. I just want to show you one more thing that our team has been doing, which is the docs page to hand off to the future teams. Some of us in the team have actually been documenting some of the more intricate parts of the app, and we have them here on the docs page, and we have snippets. We go over some of the code that might be really difficult to maybe understand, and I really hope that it helps the upcoming team, whoever it gets passed along to. With that being said, thank you. This is PhotoEffectsApp, and I hope you guys use our app. Thank you.